Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have a simple home remedies to remove your pubic hair. We have two remedies which can help you to remove your pubic hair. Let us try the first one. First we need a bowl, warm water and baking soda. Now we will pour 1 spoon of baking soda in the bowl, 200 milliliter of warm water. Now we will mix it up. Keep mixing up nicely until it mixes up clearly. Now the remedy is ready. Now take a cotton or any clean cloth and then soak it in the mixture like this. Apply on the pubic hair. Apply on the pubic hair nicely so that all the hair got wet. This way, keep doing this for 3 to 5 minutes. Keep like this overnight. Then you will notice your hair is falling down. Friends, let's see the second step of removing pubic hair. For this we need a bowl, salt, gram flour and raw milk. Now let us take 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan, little bit salt and raw milk. Now mix it very nicely. Friends, our home remedies is ready. Now let's take a cotton or clean cloth and apply on hair. Keep doing this very nicely so the hair get wet by the mixture. Keep doing this. So friends, this is how you will do this. Now keep this overnight and you will notice that your hair is fallen down. So friends, how was our home remedies? Let us know. These remedies you definitely try your home and let us know how it works to you. So subscribe our channel and help us to give you more videos. Thank you friends. And bye.